Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Got a beautiful brokerage listing to show you today. This is a 2020 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. It's powered by twin V6 225 Mercury outboards with about 370 hours on them and a fresh service. A great fishing platform, but it's got plenty of seating for the family as well. Quick exterior look at the boat. I'll hop on and show you some of the features. It's got a white hull, no bottom paint, as it's been dry stack kept its whole life by the original owner. White hull, stainless steel insert for the rub rail, silver boot stripe, chrome Whaler logos, fiberglass hardtop with light blue underside. Looks really good. Jumping in the cockpit here, notice how much space we have to work with when you're fishing, or if you got a bunch of gear that you're lugging to the islands. You got plenty of room for it back here. But if you're going for a cruise, or you're heading out to the fishing grounds before you have a working cockpit, you can put this aft bench seat down, have a nice seating for two, and then you can obviously stow it once you get there. Behind the leading post, we've got a live well and cup holders, as well as 3 drawers of storage on the port side. Moving forward, twin bolstered captain's chairs with separate armrests, hydraulic steering, power steering pumps, Raymarine hybrid touch screen, so you can use it as a touch screen as well as use the knobs and buttons. 370 some hours, like I said. Storage compartment up top. Full-size glass windshield, but it has the electrically actuated windshield vent for when it's warm out and you want to breeze. JL audio system with the Fusion head unit. This boat does have active trim. You can adjust it or turn it off if you'd like. Lenco trim tabs with LED indicators. Digital shift and throttle by Mercury. Adjusting tilt for the helm. All of your switches up top for your pumps and lights. You should need them, as well as your compass. Great visibility on this boat. Wonderful platform for fishing as well as cruising. It's got the port and starboard side trolling seats. So if you've got lines in the water, you can be sitting here chatting with the captain and keep an eye on the spread behind you and jump into action if you need be. Powder coated piping on the T-top. Taco Grand Slam outrigger mounts, easy to use. Moving forward, nice bow seating here. Armrests, removable cushions. Upholstery's in great shape, just had a couple snaps replaced. Under here is your insulated storage, so you can use that as a cooler, keep your drinks and food cold, and eliminate the need to have a cooler on the deck, taking up space, which is a nice feature. Nice U-shaped wraparound forward seating here. A storage underneath. Stainless steel anchor and windlass. And you have your controls here, as well as at the helm. Very clean boat. More storage down beneath. Cleaning supplies down there currently. You have another fusion control right there at the bow. Inside the console, we have tons of room for storage, as well as your vacuum flush head with a holding tank, dockside pump out, as well as overboard discharge. Got your battery switches right here, another fusion head unit, DC panel, as well as ignitions right there. Freshwater shower, should you need it. Port hole through the port side, as well as overhead lights. Tons of room for storage though. That's usually what the console is used for, but it is nice to have the head there. Here's your other trolling seat. Nice footrest for if you are sitting when running the boat longer distances. If you're docking, typically like to be in the leading post position. Beautiful boat. Fresh service completed. Ready to continue raising fish offshore or taking the family to the sandbar. Whatever you plan to do on the water, the 250 Outrage will get you there comfortably. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, feel free to call me on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2020 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. Thanks so much, guys. Let's get you out on the water.